Welcome to our instructional video on solving single or double inequalities. In this video, we will be focusing on solving the inequality 2 is less than 3g minus 5, which is less than or equal to 8. We will walk through the step-by-step process of finding the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. So let's get started. In this step, we need to solve the compound inequality 2 less than 3g minus 5 is less than or equal to 8. The goal is to isolate the variable g. First, start by isolating the expression 3g minus 5. We do this by adding 5 to all three parts of the inequality. This will help us eliminate the minus 5. Let's start with the left side. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Now the middle part. 3g minus 5 plus 5 is just 3g because minus 5 plus 5 cancels out to 0. Finally, the right side. 8 plus 5 equals 13. So after adding 5 to all parts, the inequality becomes 7 is less than 3g is less than or equal to 13. This new form shows that the expression 3g is now isolated and we are closer to solving for g. The reasoning behind adding 5 to all three parts is to maintain the balance of the inequality, meaning we perform the same operation on every part to ensure the inequality remains valid. Now that we have simplified the inequality to 7 is less than 3g is less than or equal to 13, the next step is to solve for g by isolating it completely. We need to divide each part of the inequality by 3. First, let's start with the left side. 7 divided by 3 is 7/3. Next, the middle part, 3g divided by 3, simplifies to just g. And finally, the right side, 13 divided by 3 is 13/3. So after dividing each part by 3, the inequality becomes 7/3 is less than g is less than or equal to 13/3. This form shows the solution to the problem. In interval notation, the solution is written as open parenthesis 7/3 comma 13/3 closed bracket. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.